The camera world might be on the brink of a major transformation, and surprisingly, it's not coming from the traditional giants like Canon, Nikon, or Sony. Instead, all eyes are turning to DJI, a brand best known for revolutionizing aerial photography and camera stabilization through their drones and gimbals. Now, the company is reportedly preparing to take a bold leap into the mirrorless camera arena. For those who've followed DJI's journey, this shift doesn't come out of nowhere. DJI has consistently pushed the boundaries of innovation, making once specialized tools like drones and stabilizers accessible to creators across all levels. From the Osmo series, which reshaped handheld videography, to the Ronin 4D with its cinema-grade stabilization, DJI has proven it understands what creators need and delivers. So, what would a mirrorless camera from DJI look like? Industry speculation suggests that they're working on a full-frame model set for release in 2025. While still unconfirmed, the timing feels right. Many current mirrorless cameras feel like variations on a theme, incremental upgrades with more megapixels or faster autofocus, but nothing that truly reimagines the tool itself. DJI, not burdened by legacy systems or hardware constraints, has the opportunity to approach the mirrorless space with fresh eyes and bold ideas. One of DJI's key strengths is imaging, enhanced over the years through close collaboration and partial ownership of Hasselblad, a name synonymous with premium image quality. This partnership has already improved the color science in DJI's drones, delivering better dynamic range and more natural skin tones. If DJI brings this imaging excellence to a dedicated camera, it could drastically elevate its appeal. It's also expected that DJI may use sensors from Sony, one of the industry's best in sensor tech. A combination of a high-end full-frame sensor, Hasselblad's signature color science, and DJI's fast image processing could result in stunning image quality. But image performance alone won't set it apart. Where DJI truly excels is in stabilization. Their work on the Ronin 4D remains unmatched in handheld cinematography. If similar gimbal-like stabilization technology could be integrated directly into a compact, mirrorless body, it might eliminate the need for external rigs altogether. Imagine being able to walk, run, or shoot on the go without worrying about shaky footage. This kind of innovation would be a game changer for independent creators and mobile filmmakers alike. Another potential differentiator is modularity. DJI has experimented with modular systems before, giving creators the ability to customize their setups based on their shooting needs. From swappable batteries and audio modules to detachable monitors and accessories, a modular, mirrorless platform could provide unmatched versatility. It would let users scale their gear for studio shoots or go minimal for travel or run and gun filmmaking. Design and usability are areas where DJI has consistently delivered. Their products are known for their sleek, functional look, often borrowing cues from Hasselblad's minimalist aesthetic. More importantly, they're intuitive. DJI's apps and hardware interfaces tend to prioritize ease of use, and if they bring that same user-first approach to their camera UI with clean menus, smart touchscreen controls, and helpful shortcuts, it could drastically improve the shooting experience, especially for newcomers. Connectivity is another aspect where current mirrorless offerings often fall short. Transferring files wirelessly or syncing footage to the cloud can still feel clunky. DJI already solved these issues in their drones, offering reliable wireless previews, real-time syncing, and fast transfers. Applying this tech to a camera would streamline the entire post-production workflow. No more card readers or waiting on slow apps, just shoot, preview, and share. They might even go a step further by integrating fast internal storage, like the SSDs used in some of their drones. This would minimize reliance on SD cards and reduce data transfer bottlenecks, especially when working with large video files. Lens compatibility, of course, is one of the biggest concerns for any new camera system. Established players have huge ecosystems. If DJI creates its own lens mount from scratch, adoption could be limited. However, if they follow the model of the Ronin 4D, supporting not only their own DL mount but also popular mounts like L mount or Sony mount, they could instantly make their camera accessible to a wide range of users who already own compatible glass. Pricing will also be critical. DJI has historically targeted a broad market by offering powerful tools at competitive prices. If they maintain this strategy, we might see pricing that undercuts high-end models from Sony, Canon, or Nikon while delivering comparable or even superior performance. That would place their offering in a highly attractive position for content creators, indie filmmakers, and professionals looking for fresh solutions. The challenge for DJI won't just be building a great product, it will be convincing users to switch. Many photographers and filmmakers are deeply invested in their current ecosystems, with years of gear accumulation. But if DJI offers something truly new, solutions to common workflow problems, unmatched stabilization, and modular design, they don't need to convert the entire market. They just need to win over those looking for a better tool. This kind of competition could inject much-needed innovation into a camera space that's been playing it safe for too long. DJI has a proven track record of disrupting the norm, from the rise of drone photography to creating tools like the Osmo Pocket and Ronin 4D, which brought professional-level tech to everyday creators. If they apply that same thinking to mirrorless systems, the result could reshape the industry. Not by imitating Sony or Canon, but by creating a product that stands apart, one that's truly built for the needs of modern content creators. Of course, launching a new system is a serious commitment. Beyond the hardware, DJI will need to deliver on firmware, customer support, and third-party accessories. But based on their history, they're capable of doing just that. Ultimately, the question isn't whether DJI can enter the mirrorless space, it's whether creators will be ready to embrace a new system. If DJI delivers a product that's versatile, powerful, and user-friendly, it might not just compete, it might lead. And if that happens, the rest of the industry will have no choice but to follow.